What's the meaning of copyright library? Copyright library. Copyright library.
Copyright library. Copyright library. A copyright library is a type of library that collects and preserves materials that are protected by copyright law. These materials include books, magazines, newspapers, maps, photographs, films, and sound recordings. The purpose of a copyright library is to provide access to these materials for research and academic purposes. Copyright libraries are often national institutions, such as the British Library or the Library of Congress. They may also have legal deposit requirements that mandate publishers to deposit copies of their works with the library. Overall, copyright libraries play an important role in preserving and providing access to culturally significant works.